In a way, hindi sobrang nag-let down ng card yung team. So parang this is how you envision the team to end the elimination round.
Yes, we wanted to emphasize on our key defense, and I'm happy na ginawa namin for the past week. Nakuha yung mga bata. We gave Casal a hard time in the first quarter, score mga easy baskets because of our key defense.
Okay, same question na rin kasi yung mga previous victories pa, nagkakadyan pa kayo ng pangmark ng at least for longer periods of time after the game, ganyan. At least ito parang natapos yun ng pagkaan yung pakayang at least may body language perspective. So, can we talk to yung naging preparation, yung naging end result?
Siguro nag-base kami dun sa training talaga namin. Kasi yung ginawa namin sa training, yun nga, parang nag-isa natin na parang yung mindset namin. Coming to the final four, mag-umpisa na tayo kung ano yung trabaho namin. So, ayun, nagpukpo kami sa training. Natulungan kami kung natapas na defense, para nag-defense namin kasi yun nga, yung stuff na sila. And, ayun, parang ginawa din namin yung best namin sa loob ng court kasi yun nasabi naman mga coaches. Kung ano yung training namin lalabas talaga sa game. So, ayun, ito kami na nagawa din namin lahat and repeat everything.
Thank you, Gabe, for sa open for
Coach, so I know Q1 was 22 people and you said you gave Casal a hard time during the first quarter po. Pero can you speak on that po? Kasi diba, again, you've always been wanting a strong start to the Tigers as well. Can you say that they now have a strong start going into the final four?
Ang importante kasi now on the final four is how we play our offense and our defense. And I think waiting for sa Ateneo Adamson, siguro makakalaman namin. It would be a good start for us na nakita namin kung paano can we play solid 40 minutes na defense na kung ano yung magiging outcome nun. So, very happy ako and at the same time, yung mga bench ko, nabigyan ko ngayon a little bit exposure and confidence coming into the final four.
And going into the final four, can you say po na the Grabon Tigers are in a good form or they're ready na po for the final four?
I think coming into the final four, it's more on the mental toughness and mindset namin coming in because yung game na sa Spec Ladder is a knockout game, so walang twice to beat advantage, not like the last season. So importante talaga na we should start strong and end strong.
And ikaw, Ken, as yung captain ng team, what can you say going into the final four?
As a part ng veterans, kasi sinasabi ko ng sarili ko na gagawin ko lang yung role ko kung saan ako makakapagin. And mag-lead talaga ako sa team and mag-set talaga ako ng protesta mo like sa defense, sa effort, sa hustle. Kasi ngayon nga parang sinasabi ko sa akin na kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa loob ng court, sinusunod ng mga bata, lalo ng mga rookies. So yun yung pizza ko palagi sa defense talaga. And ayun, maganda naman yung outcome ng mga ginagawa ko sa loob ng court kasi yun, madadala yung mga
to Coach Ken, kanina yung NU na switch yung eliminations, finals na, bilang defending champions, nadagdagan ba yung pressure knowing that another team, yung team na tinalo nyo dati yung nakaswitch ngayon ng elimination?
For me as a coach, hindi na siguro ganun yung tingin namin right now because we're concentrated on the final four and going back to the finals pa rin. So, pagdating na siguro namin sa finals, doon na namin kung problemahin yung end.
Okay.
So siguro yung sa akin, inisip ko lang na one game na tayo makikita na. Kung sino muna yung kalaban namin next game, yun muna ako mag-focus sa amin.
So last question na lang po sa akin. So si Maglupay po had 30 rebounds this game po, 6 offensive and 7 defensive rebounds. What can you say about Maglupay po being one of the cornerstones ng defense po for
kasi si Maglupay talaga siya na lang yung kumbaga yung mga steady big man namin na inaasahan. So now that she's putting yung mga numbers that we needed and yun yung mga kailangan namin coming into the final four. So very happy ako sa performance at numbers si Maldita. And of course, kay Kenta, one turnover lang siya. It's a miracle.